Hey. Actually, let me get on me. Let me get everybody to say hey. The class. Hey.
Hi.
All right. So we are going to get started. Today, all this week, we're going to do measurement, and we are going to be on Zoom. If you can join us, it's okay if you couldn't join us today, because you can join us tomorrow or Wednesday. So today we are going to review measurement. So all this week, I wanted you guys to see that math is all around us. You see math in your house every day. Okay? So today we're going to review measurement. So this year we measured with cubes, but we also measured with non-standard units. That's like when we measured with our pencils or our crayons or our markers, but I think we measured with our pencils the most. But at home, you guys can measure with your pencils or your markers. And these are some of the items that we're going to measure today. Raise your hand if you have some of these items at home. Do you have any of these items at home? Awesome. All right, so we need to measure our objects. So first we're going to measure our pillow. And when we measure, it's important that, see, I'm going to move our pencil. So I'm going to need someone to count how many. Ready, Javier? You're going to tell me how many pencils long this pillow is. Okay? So do I put the pencil right here to measure it? No? Is that fair? Is that fair, Javier? You're unmuted, so you can talk. Is that fair, Javier?
No.
Where do I need to put the pencil?
At the beginning. At the beginning.
At the beginning, yes. It needs to be all the way at the beginning. And see, on my PowerPoint, it even shows you where you had the beginning of the pillow. Okay, so we have 1. Is it 2 pencils long? Javier?
No.
No.
It's 2 pencils. No,
Do we need some more? Or are we done?
We need a little one.
Well, we have to use the same size pencil. So when we put it here, this since it's longer, that means it's about 3 pencils long. So how many pencils?
About 3. About 3.
Okay, can you write 3 on the screen right underneath it? All right, let me make you a box so that you can write 3 in. Okay, can you write 3 in that box for me?
We can't.
Did you click the little writing button? The little pencil.
There is no pencil.
Okay, and go to the top of your screen and there should be a pencil.
Nope.
No? Okay. Well, thank you for helping me. I'll write the 3 there. And you guys keep looking for that, okay? Keep looking for the little pencil on your screen. All right, so this one is 3 pencils long. All right, thank you, Javier. All right, are you ready, Jonathan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so now we are going to measure our pan. Do you have one of the pans kind of like that at home?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to measure it with our pencils. Okay, so first we have to make sure it's what? fair, right?
Hey.
Is
Yeah.
this fair?
No.
Where do I need to go?
To the beginning.
To the beginning. It needs to line up right there. Okay, is it 1 pencil long?
No.
Okay. Is that how you measure it?
No.
It needs to be what? Put together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so is it 2 pencils long?
No.
Okay, let's keep going. Is it 3 pencils long?
Yes.
Yes, it's about 3 pencils long. All right, let me make you a box. Will you write that number in our box?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you, Jonathan. All right, you ready, Patricia?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we're gonna measure this shoe. Do you have a shoe at home?
Yes.
Okay. So all things that you can measure at home too. And if you have lots of pencils or lots of markers or lots of crayons, then you can measure with things. All right, so let's start measuring. There. Is that fair, Patricia?
No.
Where do I need to go?
At the beginning.
Okay, so let's line it up with the end of the shoe. But it doesn't always have to be this end. We could start on this end. So let's start on this end this time. All right, is it 1 pencil long?
No.
Okay, I got to keep going. All right, and then I made sure the 2 pencils touch. And so it's about how many pencils long?
2.
2. It's about 2 pencils long. Can you write that number for us?
I can't.
On your screen, there should be a little pencil so that you can write.
Oh, yes, I can.
Okay, awesome. So you can write it in that box. How many pencils long?
Oh.
Okay, thank you. All right, and we're gonna do our last one. Thank you, Patricia. And that is the hat. All right, so I'm gonna put my pencil here. Is that fair? Is that fair? No, it's not. So I'm gonna put it right here on the edge of the hat. And the hat is about 1 pencil long. It's about 1 pencil long. All right, now I'm gonna unmute everyone. We're gonna talk about which one, so go ahead and look at all of our numbers. One is the longest. Uh-oh, our numbers went away.
I just put dot on it.
Which one is the longest?
What? Right, what?
Which one is the longest? The pillow, and what else?
The pen.
And the pan, because it both has 3. And which one is the shortest, Jonathan?
The cat.
The cap, because it only has 1 pencil long. So something that you guys can do at home with any of the things that you have at home. All right, let's do measuring another way. So another thing that we did at school, we measured with cubes. So this was another thing that was on our test that we got a little confused about. So when we measure with cubes, we only measure how many cubes are next to that item. So up here, does the bunny go all the way to the top of this cube tower? Class, does the bunny go all the way to the top?
No.
No. So that means we won't count all of the cubes. We'll stop where the bunny's height stops. Okay? So can someone count the cubes for the house for me? Raise your hand if you want to do that one. All right, go ahead, Jonathan. How many cubes tall? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Can you write the number 10 on the line? Good job. Because the house, it is 10 cubes tall because the house goes all the way to the top of the cube tower.
Stop.
It's okay. Got it. Try it again. All right, the next one we're going to do the bunny. All right. Are you ready, Patricia?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to know how tall, how many cubes tall is that bunny? So count how many cubes tall just the bunny is. Go ahead and count. Good job, Jonathan. How many cubes tall, Patricia?
1. I can't count them because they're too small.
Okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. Is that better?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many cubes tall?
5.
5, good. Because does the bunny keep going to the top? Does it keep going to the top, Patricia?
No.
No, it stops at 5. Good job. Can you write 5 on the line, please? All right, are you ready, Javier? All right, so I want you to measure bird for me. How many cubes tall is that bird?
2.
How many?
2.
Good. Can you write that on the line? Because that's how many cubes it took for the cube. That's how tall the bird is. Only two cubes tall.
We can't write.
You haven't found the little button?
Is it because we're on the laptop or why is it?
You should be able to write on the laptop. Oh, find the button that says annotate.
We don't have that button.
You don't? Okay. Okay. All right, so let me write it for you guys. All right, wait 1 second, Patricia. Okay. Now we need to figure out how tall the tree is. So remember, we only count the cubes that show how tall the tree is. Okay. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the tree stops about right here at this, at 9. So it's about 9 cubes tall. Which one is the tallest? Let me unmute you, Jonathan. I won't unmute. Which one is the tallest, Javier? Can you unmute it, Mr. Honnold? There we go. Which one is the tallest, Javier?
The tree.
Which one?
The house.
The house, because which number is bigger, 10 or 9?
10.
10. Which one is the shortest, Jonathan?
The bird.
The bird, because 2 is a little number. All right, good job, you guys. Okay, so now we're gonna play a game. I'm gonna need your help. Okay, so this is a game. Once I post this video, you guys can play this game too. For now, I'll play it and you tell me what to click. So it's loading. Okay, can you see my screen? Is it white?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. All right, our game is loading. Tell me what to do. And then you guys can play this game later too, because it's a free game online. And it's just a review. So once it loads. Okay.
Oh.
So which one should we play first? The one with length or the one with height? Height? Okay, let's do that one first. All right. We're playing our game. You guys got to help me. All right, it says tap on the one that is shorter. Is it the mushroom or the tree?
Wait, Miss Flynn, we don't see anything.
Oh, wait, let me turn off the sound. Which one is shorter?
We can't see the game.
You can't see the game? Okay.
No.
All right, let me.
No, the mushroom.
Okay. Which one is shorter?
This one.
The mushroom or the tree?
The tree.
The tree. Good job. Let's see if we got it. Ooh, we got some money. Which one is taller? The yellow guy or the flamingo?
The yellow guy.
The yellow guy. Oh, we got some more money. Good job. Which one is taller? The mushroom or the flower?
Flower.
The flower. Good job. Okay, which one's shorter?
The bear.
The bear. All right, and then we have to move in the box, the one that is taller. This one?
Right.
Or this
The
one?
one right.
This one on the right? Okay, let's see. You have to hit done. Ooh, got some more money. All right. So when I send you guys the link, you can play that game too. So let's play our link game. So this is the longer or shorter game. It won't let me play. But it should let you guys play. It lets you play like one game free.
I can even put no games on my laptop because it's gonna mess up my learning.
Well, it's a learning game.
Oh.
Okay.
I can know the game.
Yeah, it's a learning game, so it's okay. All right. And can you see my PowerPoint again? Let me go to my PowerPoint. Okay, can you see it? Okay, so this is your homework. So you don't have to draw this couch, but it says, I want to measure how long our couch is. I do not have a tape measure. Would it be easier to use envelopes or dimes? So down here.
Envelope.
What? Don't tell us. So it says you're going to write. So on your piece of paper, you're going to explain why the envelopes you're going to measure with the envelopes. Or you're going to explain why you're going to measure with the dimes. So you just try your best spelling, sound it out. You can draw a picture of which one you'd rather use. But I just want you guys to think about, why would you use the envelopes? Or why would you use the pennies? I mean, the dimes. And so that's your homework. So you can explain it with a few words or explain it with a picture.
A picture. No picture will be easier.
Okay.
No picture.
All right. So let me stop recording. I'm telling the people that are watching, I can't wait to see your work. Send me a picture or a video. So an example of a video, you have your work and you say, I decided to use envelopes because that's one way you can get extra points by sending a video. So it's up to you. So I can't wait to see your work.